Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix corrupt CBS files causing 0x80073712 error on your Windows. Let's begin. So this error appears when update files or manifests are corrupted. The very first thing we need to do is run a command sfc scan now. This fixes this error by replacing damaged components with correct ones from the Windows cache. So right over here, click on the Windows Start button, CMD, command prompt, make sure to run as admin, and this new window will pop up. Go ahead, run the sfc scan now by typing this command. Once you hit enter, it will scan your computer. Once this hits 100%, it will report over here. It has found and successfully repaired those corrupted files. You can now simply close, restart your computer. By then, since all of the corrupted files has been repaired and restored, this error should no longer appear. Okay? And that's it. You're done. I hope you found this video very helpful.